Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic get full reveal in newly leaked renders, and one thing to notice is the rotating bezels are back. Samsung's Galaxy Watch 5 series had a lot going for it, but not everybody was happy with the exclusion of the rotating bezel that lets you control the wearable's UI elements. However, this feature has been rumored to make a comeback this year, at least on the Watch 6 Classic, officially marking its return after a 2-year gap. As we count down to the arrival of the Galaxy Watch 6 along with its classic sibling, a new leak has offered some more renders of both variants, leaving nothing to the imagination. Starting with the Watch 6 Classic, these renders obtained and published by WinFuture showcase the wearable in just 2 colors, black and silver. However, the site speculates that the manufacturer may release additional color variants in the weeks and months following the launch to spice things up. The rotating bezel is prominently visible in these renders, which is expected to be narrower than it was with the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Meanwhile, the home and back buttons from the Watch 5 Pro have been retained. However, there's now a prominent protrusion between the 2 physical buttons, a key design change from the predecessor, which offered vacant space between the 2 keys. WinFuture speculates that Samsung will sell the Watch 6 Classic in 43 and 47mm variants. Furthermore, this smartwatch will supposedly be available with a leather watch band at launch, further distinguishing itself from the cheaper Watch 6 model. As for the entry-level Watch 6, WinFuture reveals 3 separate color variants for the wearable, with the gold version joining silver and black. The 2 side buttons from the Galaxy Watch 5 are returning here, although there aren't any visual changes that we can spot just yet. Both the Watch 6 and its classic sibling will support 5 ATM water resistance out of the box per WinFuture. As per well-known tech news leaker Ice Universe, Samsung could outfit the Watch 6 Classic with a larger 1.47-inch screen while bumping up the resolution to match the display size upgrade. The Exynos W980 SoC is also rumored to make it to the 2 wearables, potentially enabling a 10% bump in performance compared to the Watch 5's dual-core Exynos W920. The 2 new smartwatches will break cover during next month's Samsung Unpacked event. While the dates are still not confirmed, the company is likely to schedule its event in late July. We do know, however, that this year's Unpacked will be held in Seoul, South Korea, a first for the electronics giant. Samsung's Galaxy foldable lineup are expected to be the headliners during the event, backed by the 2 new Galaxy Watch 6 smartwatches and potentially the Galaxy Tab S9 series as well. So how do you like these new renders of upcoming Galaxy Watch lineup from Samsung? Is it good enough to compete with other manufacturers in the market? Let us know your valuable thoughts below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.